Yo, what's going on, guys and girls? It's your boy Cam Legend, and in this video, I'm going to be speaking about Facebook's name change to Meta, or Metaverse. Now, if you've been tapped in to your higher self, the conscious community, the spiritual community, this should come as no surprise to you. A lot of what we've seen in the last 18 months has been a war on technology and spirituality. And the metaphysical world, hint, hint, this is why it's called Metaverse, the metaphysical world is under attack. There's an attack that they want to make everything artificial when we are spiritual beings. And on my platform, we don't demonize, we just see everything for what it is. Like I said, this should come as no surprise to anybody who's tapped in. We have people that are glued onto Matrix, glued onto Facebook, glued onto everything that has been given to them from Silicon Valley. And they're going to eat it up. Because the metaphysical realm is a realm that taps into something deeper than you physically. In my case, that's being spiritual, grounding, staying in nature. For the person who's tapped into the artificial intelligence, that is technology, virtual glasses, virtual land. And we need to speak about this deeply because people are going to love this, being able to connect with people virtually. Why? Because right now, you can't just travel. You can't travel, but guess what you can do? You can speak to your mum or dad across the globe in a virtual room or metaverse. You can't just own property. It's not easy now. You can't just get a job now, but you can own property on virtual land. And I'm invested in some crypto. There's a company called OVR, Earth 2.0, and I don't look at anything and get polarized by it. I just get on with what's going on. So I've already invested in certain stocks that were showing me that this is the direction the universe is going. So Earth 2.0, OVR, there's a few other platforms that are selling virtual land. Okay, this is where this world is going now. So you either get with it or you just do your own thing. I do my own thing and still get on with it, but from afar, okay? So this is it. They want to make everything artificial and they want to normalize it. So you have to realize, why have we been going through all what we've been going through with this pandemic? Was it for a bigger cause to create disharmony and then create a solution, which is called the Hegelian dialect, create a solution for a problem that never really existed so we can bring in the new technology? In the next 5 or 10 years, we'll start seeing drones with delivery of Amazon goods, or we'll see other companies get involved. That is where technology is going right now. They want you in your homes. They want you boxed into this virtual reality, okay? So Metaverse, just the name Metaverse. Go Google search what metaphysics means and go search what Metaverse means, okay? This is where it's going. When we speak of metaphysics, it's speaking about chakras, spirituality, different aspects of self, i.e. you can have an astral body, you can have a physical body, you can have a mental body. And on Metaverse, you can have an avatar. You can change yourself. You can change your hair. It's a carbon copy of you, but it's artificial. That is why people go on Instagram and Facebook and they have a different personality to the one you see in real life. In real life, they're goofy. You'll never hear them speak their truth. But on Facebook, on Instagram, they're a keyboard warrior. This is what it's going to be. You're going to be your own avatar moving forward, but on a different level. So over here, we get on board with what's going on. We look at it, we observe it. We don't attach ourselves to it. Like I said, you can invest in certain companies that are developing this, because right now I think everyone should be going with the natural tide of this universe, and just remove yourself from the Matrix, because even the Matrix is coming out in December, and it's going to be mentioning everything that's going on right now. So this is it. Artificial intelligence versus spirituality and natural self. This is what it's going to be moving forward. Peace.